I'm a very cheerful, bubbly, energetic girl. I've been an athlete since I can remember. The truth is, मुझे कुछ और आता ही नहीं है. It's because ever since I was a child, I've done so many things. You know, I'm a postgraduate now. But whatever happened with my studies, whatever happened, I was like, चलता है, you know, I don't really care. But ever since I was small, anyone would ask me, what do you want to be? I would say Miss India. I want to go to Miss Universe. So, and I knew everybody's name at that time, Aishwarya, Sushmita, White, and I knew everyone, Diana. And they would be like, how do you know you're so small? And seriously, I wouldn't talk about anything else. I had this small pink swimsuit with a frill. And I would just walk around the house like that, you know, and in fancy dress also, I would just be Miss India and be like, I'm not being anything else because I'm not going to become anything else. I just couldn't think of anything else. So, it's just...
I have been born and brought up in Pune itself. I am basically a microbiologist. I feel weak in my energy, so I have to really work on it.
I mean, if I become Miss Diva, it's like the whole new world for me, and I think I'll be investing my time, whole lot of time into the fashion industry, into Bollywood, into this field basically. I don't think I'll be confused like I am at this moment of time.
And I have completed my masters in economics.
I am ambitious, like everyone has already said it. I've got a grind, like I just want to do it. I don't want anything else in my life. I've seen my mother, you know, that grind when you see your like mom do everything for you. I've got that grind. I mean, I'm going to do it. She's okay. Very honestly, she's always wanted me to be Miss India. I used to be like, Mom, are you crazy? I have tattoos and I look really bad. And I was the ugliest girl in school. Like everyone put me down. So inside, I'm still like the ugly girl. But then I am working on myself. I've worked on myself like a lot. If I show you my pictures when I was 14 and now, there's like this vast difference. I'm like this totally different person right now. So if I think I can, you know, change so much in these years, I can do wonders. I feel if this is my ugly duckling phase, then there's a better phase lying out for me.
I love reflecting positive vibes all around me, and overall I'm full of sparkle and compassion. Thank you.
There is nothing that is unachievable, and this is my mantra in life.
It's lovely to be associated with Yama Fasino Miss Diva 2015. We had a lot of girls with long hair this time, surprisingly, and there were 3 or 4 of them who had real short hair, so it was fun styling their hair. Whereas the girls with longer hair, normally we do not have girls, you know, below waistline hair, but this time we did have real long hair, so it was a challenge styling that long hair. Normally you cannot style up very long hair, but yes, and all of them really looked gorgeous. All of them had come well prepared. So makeup party, they had all carried off their own makeup, which is a very plus point, and we all enjoyed doing the makeovers for them.